It's Mike again with J&M Reviews, and today I'm reviewing this Amazon Basics paper shredder. So I used this bad boy when I was a teacher my last school, so it was really good. I've used it to shred quite a lot of documents. So this is how it would work. So first you got to be very careful. You do not want to put your fingers or anything inside. Handle it with a lot of care. As you can see, no fingers, no screwdrivers, ties, things of that nature. So you just want to be careful. It says it can shred eight sheets at a time. Personally, I think like 3 to 4 is the max. I wouldn't try to stick 8 sheets of paper in here, but you feel free to try. So this is how you turn it off and on. So this is off, and then this is on, and then this is if you want to go backwards or you want to go forward. So why would you want to have it go backwards? Sometimes papers will get stuck and they're like stuck in there, and then you want it to like spit the paper back out. That's happened to me several times. So it's a very handy little feature. I used to think, I'm like, why would I ever want to use that? But you'll eventually end up using it. So this is what it looks like. Let me open it up for you. You can see, so to open it up, this is what it looks like in the back with the plug. You'd want to pick it up from this side here. And I'm going to do the best I can. And then that's what it looks like on the inside. Okay, so you definitely want to be cleaning it. Sorry, it's a little bit dirty. I haven't dusted it up in quite a while. So then you just slides right back in, and then has this little, you can see the inside here, and then we'll demonstrate. So we have some papers. I'm going to put them in, and they're going to shred. Turn it on. And there it goes. And then also, if you wanted to leave it on continuously, just leave it like that, and then it will shred all the papers. Let me do this with one hand. You can even put it in like in a funky way and it'll still shred it. So let me use my other hand. So there you go. So it works fantastic. I really can't say anything bad about it. You can even put it in like at an angle. Even if it has like a paper clip, I mean not a paper clip, a staple. You can also do that. So I personally like to just have it on the on, so it's not continuously going. So yeah, so we'll do this last one, and hopefully you check it out. I think it's great. And as you can see, all the papers go in there. And yeah, so just make sure you clean it out. Be careful with it, and hope it's helpful.